Hi folks, today topic is the microprocessor. The microprocessor is a small and programmable electronic devices which take binary data as input and produced binary data as the output. Lot of microprocessor are used nowadays. The basic microprocessor are 8085 and 8086, 80186, 286, like that, and Intel and Pentium. Nowadays we are using i3, i5, i7s. So lot of microprocessor are used in currently. The important question is the important question is why I learning microprocessor, or why we are studying microprocessor as a computer science students or software engineers. Assume that assume that you are working as a software engineer, can be written in high level language. Later this high level language is converted into low level language through compiler and assembler. This low level language is submitted to the operating systems. Then operating system give the instruction to the microprocessor. The microprocessor takes the input and produce the output based on the instructions. Here microprocessor play important role. That's why a software engineer should have at least the basic knowledge of the microprocessor is needed but not necessary. Then another topic is feature of the microprocessor. The first feature is input size. Based on the input, maximum size of the input, the microprocessor are classified into 18-bit microprocessor, 16-bit microprocessor, 32-bit microprocessor, and 64-bit microprocessor. Here 8-bit means the maximum input size is 8-bit. 16-bit means the maximum size is 16-bit. 64-bit means the maximum input size is 64-bit. The example of the 8-bit microprocessor is 8085. The example of the 16-bit microprocessor is 8086. Intel using 32-bit microprocessor as well as 64-bit microprocessors. Then another feature is instruction set. Instruction set. Instruction set. Based on the instructions, the microprocessor are classified into two types. The first one is the reduced instruction set computer, and the second one is the complex instruction set computers. Reduced instructions means the instructions are reduced. That is, the instructions are simplified instructions. Complex instructions means the instructions are complex. The most of the smartphone devices, smartphone microprocessor are using reduced instruction set computers like Snapdragon, Snapdragon, ARM. These are the example of the microprocessor in reduced instruction set computer, and six processor are normally used in PC and laptop using CISC processor, examples Pentium and Intel, like that. Then another important features is clock speed. Clock speed is one of the important feature which is used to measure the speed of the microprocessor. Examples 2 gigahertz. Here, hertz means cycle per second. Cycle per seconds. Per seconds. Giga means 2 power 30. So 2 into 2 power 31 cycles per seconds are produced for the particular microprocessor. Then you can easily find the one clock cycle time. Thank you.